Hello and welcome to my workshop. In our last video, I took you through some of the tools you need as a beginner in order to do laptop repairs. You can watch that video right here or in the link in the description below. In this video, I will take you through some of the tools you need if you want to venture into chip level repair. As you know, some motherboard components come in microscopic sizes. As such, you need a microscope to do this type of repair. They come in different configuration and price points, so cut your coat according to your size, as they say. A DC power supply is essential for board level repairs. Get the type with 30 volts and 5 amp minimum, and don't forget to get the various connectors for the adapters for it. Get a USB Type-C voltmeter. This is useful when working on MacBooks and other laptops with USB Type-C charging systems. You won't need the soldering flask for your soldering jobs. Flask helps solder to flow better. The desoldering wick is your friend. It helps with cleaning up pads and solder bridges on your IC pins. Get a copper mesh for your soldering iron tip cleaning. Never use sandpaper for cleaning your soldering iron tips. You also need a BIOS programmer for all your BIOS programming needs. We will discuss tools like the oscilloscope, EC programmer, and thermal camera in my subsequent repair videos. Now that we have familiarized ourselves with some of the tools, you can expect to watch me use them in my repair videos. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.